Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Terraform to provision AWS resources, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Terraform to provision AWS resources, begin by installing Terraform on your machine. Visit the official Terraform website and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided for your specific platform. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt to verify the installation. Type Terraform version and press enter. You should see the installed version of Terraform displayed. Next, set up an AWS account if you haven't done so already. Log into your AWS Management Console and navigate to the IAM service. Create a new user that has programmatic access. Assign the user permissions by attaching a policy like Administrator Access for full access, or customize as needed. Once created, download the access key ID and secret access key. Next, configure your AWS credentials on your local machine. Open your terminal and run AWS configure if you have the AWS CLI installed. Provide your access key ID, secret access key, default region name, and output format when prompted. If you don't have the AWS CLI, you can create a file named credentials in the .os directory located in your home folder. In the file, add the following lines, replacing the placeholders with your actual keys. Default, AWS_access_key_ID equals your _access_key_ID AWS_secret_access_key equals your _secret_access_key. Now, create a new directory for your Terraform project. Inside the directory, create a new file called main.tf. This is where you will define your AWS resources using HCL, the HashiCorp configuration language. Start with the provider block to specify AWS as your provider. Include the required region under the provider configuration. Now, define the resources you want to provision. For example, to create an S3 bucket, add the following code to main.tf:/resource AWS_S3_bucket my_bucket, bucket equals my unique bucket name. Save the changes to the main.tf file. Next, initialize the Terraform directory to download necessary provider plugins. Run the command terraform init in your terminal. Once the initialization is complete, check for any errors in the output. Now, validate your Terraform configuration. Run the command terraform validate to ensure there are no syntax errors. Next, preview the changes Terraform will make to your AWS infrastructure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.